Welcome to FIIB eLibrary tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss how to access FIIB eLibrary. FIIB eLibrary sits at fiib.refread.com. Please remember, do not include www, only fiib.refread.com is good enough. To access the platform, the login is required. Login will also help you to avail many features like save content in your reading list, set up POC alerts, or place item request. All the users of FIIB has already registered on the platform, but in case you don't have your credentials, send your name, enrollment number, email address provided by FIIB and mobile number to the given email address. Please note, your IP gets blocked if you make more than 4 unsuccessful attempts to log in. Never share your account's details with anyone, and you can read 100 resources from outside the campus network. Now, let's check the platform. As I said earlier, the platform sits at fiib.refread.com. To access the platform, first we have to log in. You all have your email address and password to access FIIB eLibrary. In case you don't have, you can always do forgot password. To access the content, first you can go to eResources. Here you can browse by discipline. Let's just go to human resource management. You can see that all the content which is available on the platform related to human resource management is available in just one click. You can also filter down by media. You want to access thesis, video, or journal. You can also browse the content using by publisher filter. Let's just go to EBSCO content, and you can see here that whatever content is available is just one click away. You can always filter down the content using media access type. For example, I wanted to access only ebooks using by format, and here if I want to see what are the books subscribed by the library or available in the open access, I can do that. I have filters to narrow down my search results. Apart from discipline, publisher, and format, I can also browse the content using collection feature. So for example, library has uploaded some CIP reports, and all I just need to do is click on view resources, and whatever content is available in this section, I can able to access it. So other than this, in case I wanted to see what all content is available on this library, you can see there is a huge number by publisher, by author, by media type, or by access. Available in library, or we can see print collection of the library can also be available on this platform. If I wanted to see only subscribed resources, you can do that. Now let's just see how remote access works. All the content which FIIB is subscribing currently can also be accessible via off-campus network, which means if I am opening this EBSCO Business Source Elite and I'm currently not in campus, I can able to access this content. As you can see, the FIIB authentication is done on the platform. The experience is similar for all the cases, no matter you open Emeralds, Capitaline, EBSCO, or any other publisher, you will always get full text access of the content. Other than academic content, library also has some explore more features, some information services. In this, you can see we have some leisure reading content, poetry, novels, classics in Hindi, English language, and other than this, platform also have some content related to expert talks, TED talks. So students, if they want to access some content which is not belong to their studies but academic in nature and can be inspiring them, so we have all added that content also in the platform. Other than the explore more and academic content, platform also have a great news feature where you can see all the headlines and the clips done by library on your portal itself. Other than the browsing, you can also search the content using keywords, like for an example, consumer behavior. I'm searching here and just click enter, and you will be getting the results from all the publications. Here you can see access is again available in library, open access, subscribed, media types. If I wanted to see only books, you can see that these are all the books which are available in the library related to consumer behavior. You can also filter down by publisher or Other than the catalog, the content under research article. So for an example, if you are looking for a research article related to consumer behavior in all the FIIB certified publishers, you can do the same on this platform. Just search and switch the tab from e-catalog to article. Here you can see that you will be getting results from different publishers. Just click on get more results to fetch some more results as I'm doing here, and you can see that whenever I am clicking on get more result, the number of the publisher will increase and the breadth of the content will also increase. Platform also have advanced search feature. You can use Boolean search or mechanism to search any content that you need. Filter down your queries and find your results based on your requirements. The same mechanism will work on both catalog and research article. So you have the liberty to search your content in any publisher or in any format you need. This is the homepage of the FIIB eLibrary. All the updates which a library posts is available on notice board, and the most important part is that whatever features, content I have showed you here are also available on dedicated mobile app of FIIB eLibrary. So you just need to type in FIIB eLibrary in your app store, either you are using Android or iOS. Just type FIIB eLibrary and you will be having this mobile app to access this platform on your hand. In case you find any difficulty in accessing the platform content, you can see this footer. Our email address is available here, support@refread.com, and the library email address also. You can always write your queries to us and we will support you on that. You also have a feature for feedback. You can give us feedback based on your requirements. We hope that you find this platform relevant. In case you need any help, FIIB team and Refread team is available for you to